Good morning, everyone. This is a video for level 6, and it is for Wednesday, March 25th. Let's get right into it. So, you are all probably a little bit like me, going a bit bonkers, being home, and perhaps you are homeschooling your kids, trying to pay the bills. This is the image that I found, which I think sums up the coronavirus lockdown in Massachusetts. If you are home with your family, everyone is closed in, you want to get out, you want to get back to your normal life, you're not alone. So I've got an assignment to bring a little bit of joy. Here it is. All right. So March 25th, what are we going to do? This is the first order of business. Share a resource called Story Online. Now, before I tell you what is Story Online, I want you to share it with your kids or kid or a friend with kids. Now, let's not even stop there. Maybe you want to share it with a friend's kid or any kid in your life, or even share it with an adult. So I'll tell you what that means in a moment. Now, after sharing Story Online on Thursday, March 26th, I want you to write about your experience in 25 to 40 words in the Google Classroom comment section. So most of you are participating in this class using your mobile devices. You're going to have to get back into Google Classroom on your phone. I will send you a resource to do that. So a little tutorial about using Google Classroom on your phone to write your comment for Thursday. Now, I will use WhatsApp twice a day. I'll be on it once in the morning, once in the afternoon. I will not be messaging back and forth all day long because I'm limiting my screen time and managing my own sanity and managing my time with my family. So if you message me on WhatsApp, you're going to have to be patient. I'm going to use it once in the morning and once in the afternoon, and otherwise send me an email. So if you have any questions, my email is also in the Google Classroom stream. What is Story Online? Story Online looks like this. You go to Story Online and you see books. It looks like a library. It looks like the kids section of a library. But when you click on one of these, you don't just see the book or the pages of the book, you see a professional actor. Here we are. Let's have, aha, who is this? Allison Janney is reading Carla's Sandwich. You click right here and it goes right into the video. So for English language learners, this is particularly good because it has the subtitles. You can share, it'll be great to share with your kids. Maybe you have a few books at home, but you're not confident in reading them yourselves. Maybe you don't have books at home. This is a whole new library. Maybe you have a ton of books, but your kids want to get to the library. You're tired of reading the same thing. Any situation, this is a great resource. So the first day, share this. You can talk about your experiences, think about it, and then on Thursday, write about your experience sharing a story. So it sounds pretty simple, but it's just a routine. Stick with it, and my hope is that this brings a little bit more joy in your week. So I'm going to recap what the assignment is. So share Story Online with a kid in your life. Then on Thursday, write about your experience in 25 to, I'll make it, 25 to 40 words, somewhere in that ballpark, in the Google Classroom comments. So get on Google Classroom with your phone. All right. Any questions, email me. I'm going to use WhatsApp twice a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon. That is it. And I wish you all the best. And once again, email me with any specific questions. Thank you.